Exercise is for active wrist extension, meaning that we're bringing our hand back this way. So we're going to start with a passive stretch, taking our fingertips back behind us, and then starting to sit back into the heels, keeping the elbows straight. Once we've kind of found that end range, we're going to hang out there for about 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, we're going to reverse the stretch. So I'm going to start to drive my fingertips up towards my arm. Even if there is no movement, that's okay. Now that I feel that engagement into the back of my wrists, I'm going to start to lean forward until my fingertips actually come off the ground. From there, I'm hanging out there for about 10 seconds. This should feel like a very intense burn. We might see some shaking into the fingertips, that's fine. After that 10 seconds, we get to rest, relax, and try to find that passive stretch again, trying to get a little bit further the next time. And we're repeating this for about 2 to 3 sets pretty intensely.